Ready for an adventure like no other? Welcome to Peña de Bernal, one of the tallest monoliths in the world, waiting to be explored. In the charming town at the base of the rock, you'll feel time slow down as you wander through streets full of history and tradition. Discover the local culture as you meet artisans, taste traditional treats, and explore the vibrant market stalls. Then, it's time for the real adventure, hiking Peña de Bernal. The trail offers stunning views and a sense of accomplishment as you ascend this iconic landmark. At the top, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and mountains, a sight you'll never forget. And after the climb, unwind with delicious local cuisine and soak in the peaceful atmosphere of Bernal. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or simply a day of escape, the Peña de Bernal tour has it all. Come experience this natural wonder for yourself. Ready for your next adventure? Book now at vibeadventuresadanta.com or click the link in the description.